Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to the Republic of Chad. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to travel to Chad, you need to, and if you need a visa, you need to apply at the location where you are to your nearest embassy or mission, whichever is there. So in front of you, I have opened this Chad embassy in Canada. So what it says that all nationalities, those who want to enter Chad for tourism, like they need to have valid visa, except if you're from following countries. So this is the list of the countries. Okay. If you have a diplomatic official passport of or any other travel document issued by international organization, you don't have to pay visa fee. All right. So that is why I say that you should check the nearest embassy, because how you can apply, whether in person or you send by post, mode of payment, fee, things can vary, right? For example, if you are in Canada, I have opened this Chad embassy in Canada, which is in Ottawa. So they have said that for 1 month single entry, 150 CAD, 3 months multiple 200, 6 month 250. And you have to pay by money order or certified check to, okay, they don't accept any cash amount. And they have also given the hours. Okay. Now, what are the documents they need? Valid passport, visa application form with required photo, attestation from your employer stating the reason for your travel. Okay. Be in possession of trip ticket or valid reservation from a travel agency. At least 2 free pages in your passport. Invitation letter. So it depends case by case. Okay. Now let's check the visa application form. So it's in both in English and French. So I'm opening English. Okay, this section is for official use. We are not going to use, but here you can fill up last name, first name, birth information. See, they have given the format, so make sure you stick to that. Place of birth, make sure it matches with your passport and other document. Marital status, number of children, passport information, professional information, travel information, purpose, address, length of stay, if you have ever visited before. Okay, and then place date, and then you print and you have to sign. Okay. And you need to attach two photos and send. Now, if you see the visa policy of Chad, so as we saw that following countries are like can have a Chad visa, they can visit Chad without a visa for up to 90 days. Visa on arrival, they have also given information. So that is how it works, guys. And as I said, check the fee at your local location where you're going to apply, so that you actually find out what exactly is going to be the mode of payment and other process related steps. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.